Okay, heading into my second class of yoga. Like I said, the previous video taught me a lot about how far out of shape I am. I'm hoping with continuing to go, I'll help with a couple things as far as swelling, water retention, weight loss, and maybe strengthen parts of my body that I'll need after the surgery. I forget now I'm having total knee replacement surgery on my right knee May 4th. So prep for it. Gotta lose some weight. Probably put on some pounds. A recap of yesterday. I had to leave the room once. Albeit maybe a couple minutes. I was feeling nauseous. Didn't know what to do, so got out of the room. Today, the intent is to stay in the room. Might be a whole lot of laying on my back and sweating, because I am not flexible at all and have no balance, but the sweating will do me good. See the rain, see the weather. Finally out of yoga. I gotta tell you, compared to Monday, this is much smoother. It's still hot, but you can make it through. I gotta work on my flexibility, probably download some poses, because I am stiff as all get out. I mean stiff. I don't even understand it. But I'm gonna keep coming. Hopefully all the way up until surgery.